Hi, preschoolers. Happy Monday. This is Mrs. Allison, and I want to welcome you back to another week of distance learning. Today is Monday, May 11th, 2020. And this week, we have a birthday tomorrow on Tuesday, May 12th in my Thursday morning class. It is Kira's birthday. So we want to wish Kira a big happy birthday. We hope you have a great day. And there are no other special days this week. Next week on Friday, May 22nd, it is our last day of preschool. And we're going to take a look now at our letters.
Choose a letter.
This week, we're going to take a look at this letter. This is letter Y, letter Y. So here, if we take a look at Y, this is capital or big Y, and this is lowercase or small y. And they do not look exactly the same. They look a little bit different. But we're going to take a look at some pictures and see if we can name which one starts with our Y sound. And our letter Y makes the Y sound. So let's take a look at our pictures. Here we have gate, quail. That is a bird called a quail. Yellow, yellow. Which one starts with Y? If you said yellow, you were right. Let's check our answer just to make sure.
You did it! Yellow begins with the letter Y.
Great job, preschoolers. Let's try that again. Here we have 3 more pictures. Mittens. Yak. Map. Which one starts with Y? Which one makes that Y sound? Is it mittens? No, I don't think so. How about this one? Let's see what this is. Yak. Do you hear the Y sound? I do too. Let's check our answer.
Good job. Yak begins with the letter Y.
Fantastic. All right, let's go to the next 3 pictures. Okay, this is a Jeep. Quilt. Yo-yo. Which one starts with Y? That's an easy one, isn't it, preschoolers? Yo-yo starts with Y, but we'll check our answer just to make sure.
Fantastic! Yo-yo begins with the letter Y.
Great job. Let's try that again. All right, here we go. We have yarn, pen, penguin. Which one starts with Y? Let's see. What was this one again? Yarn. I think you're right. I think that one starts with Y. Let's check it.
Good job. Yarn begins with the letter Y.
Fantastic job, preschoolers. Let's just take a look at these pictures. What letter does this one start with? This is a pen. Right, I hear the letter P when I say pen. And what about this? Penguin. You're right, that one starts with P too. All right, let's go on. Here we have
Yarn.
Yarn.
Goat.
Goat.
Mat.
Mat. Which one starts with Y? And we had this word before, so I think that we know that it's not goat, right? Because goat starts with G, and it's not mat because mat starts with the letter M. Remember what this one is?
Yarn.
Yarn. And I hear that Y sound when I say yarn. Let's check our answer.
Fantastic! Yarn begins with the letter Y.
Great job. All right, we're going to go on. Here we have some more pictures. Ooh, this looks good. What's this?
Yogurt.
Yogurt.
Nose.
Nose.
Ant.
Ant. Which one starts with Y? Do you think it's yogurt? I think you're right, but we'll check our answer just to make sure.
You did it! Yogurt begins with the letter Y. You did it! You found all the pictures that begin with the letter Y. Click Select Letter for even more practice, or click Home to choose a different activity.
Great job, preschoolers. And I want to remind you of another word that starts with Y, yoga. And in your packets for this week, there is a sheet with some calm down yoga activities or moves. So maybe if you have time to take a look at those today and do some of your calm down yoga moves, that would be great. I hope you have a fun week. Thanks, preschoolers.